We're working through all the stitches, well, all 4 stitches on the bernette Funlock b42 cover stitch and chain stitch machine. So right now I have all 3 needles in and all 4 threads running, and we've gone ahead and stitched the first version of this stitch. So now I'm going to actually let's go ahead and do a narrow 2 needle cover stitch, and I'm pointing to these 2 because we use the yellow and the green, or the left and the center needle. So that means that we are going to be removing the right needle and also removing the blue thread. In the front cover, you'll find the 2 tools that I will be using. The needle threader actually has a little needle holder or inserter on the opposite end, plus you're going to need the Torx screwdriver that is in here as well. I've clipped the blue thread up at the spool, and now I'm going to just pull it completely out of the machine, leaving the 2 threads that we are using. Now, as you notice that the needles are not all at the same level. The left needle is always taller, the center needle, and then the right needle is always the shortest. And right now it's pretty short. So what I'm going to do is lower the presser foot, and that'll give me a little bit more room to take that needle threader and slide up the needle. That allows me to kind of catch it when I take and loosen the screw at the top. The screws at the top are actually identified as C, D, and E. So we're taking out the E needle. Go ahead and loosen it, give it a little wiggle until it drops down, and then I always recommend that we tighten that back up, and it'll tighten back in quite a bit further because now that there's no needle top in its way, go ahead and set that aside. Don't forget to also take the thread you're not using off the machine. You don't want to leave anything dangling at the top. Now I like to use the narrow cover stitch when I'm working on lighter weight fabrics. If you use the wider version, sometimes on lightweight fabrics it wants to tunnel because it's such a distance and the fabric's not stabilized enough to hold it down. So anything on delicate fabrics or something that might tunnel, go ahead and switch to the narrower cover stitch. You can really see the difference and how nice and delicate that stitch is. So try out all the stitches. We're going to go ahead and go to a wide 2 needle cover stitch and put that needle back in and take the center needle out next.